The topic is fraction, and in that we are going to study comparing fractions with different numerators and denominators. In the previous class we have seen comparing fractions where the numerators were same, how to compare, and again comparing fractions with the same denominators. It means when the denominators were same, how to compare the two given fractions. Today we are going to see compare fractions where the denominators are also different and numerators are also different. Now there are three methods usually. How many methods are there? Three methods. You can apply any one method and you can solve the sum. The first method is called as cross multiplication method. The second method is called as LCM method, and the third one is called as decimal method. So any one you can apply and you can get the answer. The question says compare. The question says compare 3 by 5 and 5 by 6. So let's see with method 1. In method 1, that is which method? By cross multiplication method. This you have to write in the answer part also. Just write down by. Okay. Now 3 by 5. Two fractions are given which we have written. Cross multiply. Can you see cross? So 3 into 6, 5 into 5. So 18, 25. Which number is bigger? 25. It means 5 by 6 is greater. Did you understand? Compare 3 by 5 and 5 by 6. Therefore, 3 by 5, put one box, 5 by 6. So, which fraction is bigger? 5 by 6. Same thing you can do with method 2 also. Now, what is method 2? Here they have written, that is LCM method. Can you see LCM method? Let's see by LCM method. In LCM method what we have to do? Just note down the question. 3 by 5, 5 by 6. The question says what? Compare. Okay, same question but with second method. How to do? LCM का मतलब क्या? Just note down here. You have to write. See the denominators 5, 6. So here what will be the answer? 5 ones are 5. 6 you have to keep as it is. 2 3s are 6, 3, 1 and 1. It means LCM is what over here? 5 into 2 into 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. इसका मतलब 3 by 5 you keep, make equivalent fraction. In denominator what you have? 30. So 5 से क्या multiply करेंगे तो 30 आएगा? 6. तो same number you have to multiply in the numerator also. Next put box over here, write the question. अभी फिर से 30 है, 6 से क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 30 आएगा? 6 5s are 30. हियर ऑल्सो इंटू 5. क्यों हम करते हैं? बिकॉज वी आर कन्वर्टिंग द गिवन फ्रैक्शन इनटू इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन, जो हमने पहले क्लास में पढ़ा है. नाउ दिस टर्न्स अप टू व्हाट? 18 डिवाइड बाई 30, और ये क्या हो जाएगा? 25 डिवाइड बाई 30. दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा है? 25. तो दिस इज नॉट द एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन, लेकिन हमको जो एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन, कौन सा एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन, उसमें वी हैव टू पुट द साइन. सो हियर व्हाट यू कैन राइट? देयरफॉर 3 by 5 बॉक्स 5 by 6. तो कौन सा बड़ा हुआ? 5 by 6. So this is method 2 by LCM method, and this is cross multiplication method, and the next one is decimal method which you can do by yourself. अब decimal method का the third method जो कि usually we don't apply but still we can learn. अब third method क्या है? decimal. The question says again compare. इसको compare करना है कौन सा बड़ा है. तो डेसिमल में हम क्या करेंगे? कैन एनीबडी एक्सप्लेन? ओके, लेट्स सी हाउ टू डू. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 को हम क्या करेंगे? एनी आइडिया? जस्ट डिवाइड दिस. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट? 0. सो 3 0. इट मीन्स व्हाट यू गॉट हियर? 0.6. 5 by 6 को क्या करेंगे? जस्ट डिवाइड. 6 नहीं जाएगा, सो 0 5. सो 6 6 are 36, 6 8 are 48, 6 8 are 48, so 2, so approximately it is what 0.8, 0.8, are you getting? तो दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा हुआ 0.8, it means 3/5 और 5/6 में से which fraction is bigger? 5/6. So in this way we have learned all the three methods. The first one is what? By cross multiplication method, which we have seen earlier, that is by cross multiplication method. जो दूसरा है, the second one is LCM method. These two methods are very important. The third method is there, but it is not used that much. Okay, so either you can use cross multiplication method or you can use LCM method. Okay, so ये दोनों method हम कब apply करेंगे? When we have to compare fractions, when numerators भी अलग number होते हैं and denominators भी अलग होते हैं. It means you have to compare fractions with different numerators and denominators, either by cross multiplication method or by LCM method. The decimal method, if you want, you can do, or you can just skip it out. Okay, thank you.